Welcome back to the channel. I'm out again with Bob on the Classic 350's, and again we're down through Berwickshire, border hopping. We're going into England today, just for a little bit and back into Berwickshire. So we're heading for the Union Chain Bridge again, where I was a couple weeks ago. What an amazing place to go and visit. The cafe's not open today though, but it doesn't matter. It's just good to ride on these roads, and they're always so quiet, as you can see. There's more tractors and fields and cars on the roads in Berwickshire. A lot of folk have commented on this. It's the gem. It's so good a place to go with these bikes. But let's keep it a secret. We don't want too many folk down here, okay? So let's go on a wee bike ride down to the Chain Bridge, and then we're going to get the drone up and get some footage. What an absolute stunning day. So this is Monday the 4th of September, and the forecast is for a whole week of this. So is this an Indian summer we're getting? It's like it's now. So beautiful with the harvested fields, big blue skies, just fantastic. And just the noise of these bikes purring away. So anyway, on we go. Passing Winfield Farm with the old aerodrome. Remember we visited in the Jeeps? I was there with Chris. Just heading down to the Chain Bridge anyway, so we'll see you down there. Right, let's get the drone up and get better views of the bridge. Right, I'll give you some facts on this bridge. So, it is the longest wrought iron suspension bridge in the world with a span of 449 feet when it was built and opened in 1820. And it was the first vehicular bridge of its type in the United Kingdom. And while work started on the Menai suspension bridge, the Union Bridge was completed first. It's a Category A listed building in Scotland, and it's now the oldest to still be carrying road traffic. Took an overhaul. It lasted 2 years, and it's just recently reopened. Its first refurnishment, the deck was replaced in 1902. Additional cables were added in 1974, and then it was refurbished and completed in 2020. Designer was a Captain Samuel Brown, and the construction started in 1819, so it took 2 years to build. 203 years old. So that's the first bit of successful drone footage, so I hope you enjoyed that. So those pillars to stop wide vehicles going through, they're all scraped, all different colours of paint. But it's a fantastic bit of engineering. They know how to build things then, didn't they? Stuff that lasted, unlike the crap built now. So then we'll park up on the English side and get some more pics. Welcome to Englandshire. They're good, those. One of the few things not built by Thomas Telford. Bye. How'd you like the job of going up there with your black smooth right and painting it all? Right, let's go and park up at the honey farm and have a look at some of the old stuff that's parked up there. I love it up here, it's brilliant.
Brilliant.
That's ex-military, that's a...
Wooden?
No, that's American. I think that's a white diamond. Diamond T, that's what it is, I think. Ibex.
What happened to that? Was it 44 fires or 40, what was it name again? Fires.
Yeah. You don't often see two Ibexes parked up. Interestingly, the six-wheeler isn't actually six-wheel drive. It's just four-wheel drive, same as the standard ones. And this is a Diamond T.
Recovery.
So a USA record truck. I'm not sure if this is an army one or civilian. I don't see any markings or army plates on it. But it's a beast. Look at the winch on it. That's amazing, that.
What guys are putting these, it's the gear into Land Rovers and it lifts the Land Rover right up in the air.
Alright.
Okay.
Gladly the cafe here is only open Friday, Saturday, Sundays in the bus. But some cool stuff to look at. You can see here some of the old links off the bridge that were renovated over the last couple of years. The good old days, how it used to be done. On a day like this, what an amazing job to do. Of course, nowadays you'll have your iPods and listen to rock music. Horse feed. Right, we're off again through Englandshire, and no more 20 mile an hour through villages. Back to 30s down here. We noticed so far through this film just how little traffic there's been. So certainly Berwickshire is always like that, apart from maybe a Sunday. And down here, Saturday, Sunday, it'll probably be really busy, being a real tourist hotspot. But today is amazing. So this is Norham Castle. We'll just stop here for a quick picture. You know, you think all that US crap going on YouTube, it's utter nonsense, isn't it? The world away from all that out here. Brilliant. This is freedom. This is what these Enfield 350's are for. Getting out having fun on a lovely day like this. Doesn't get much better than this. What an absolute amazing day. That sky, warm, everything, just brilliant. Must be one of the best bike rides we've done this year so far, definitely.
something to drink here, eh? Juice or a shandy or whatever. Juice. This place is always mobbed at weekends as well. You can see why.
Amazing, eh?
Crack along here, you know.
Right, so we're up to 20 minutes soon. So hope you enjoyed that. Bit of drone footage as well, add in. So join us in part 2 for this day out. We'll go to Flodden Battle Site. And then on the way home into Berwickshire, we'll stop at Hume Castle and we'll get the drone up again. And you'll see some amazing views from here across the Merse of Berwickshire. So thanks again for watching. See you all again soon and bye for now.